Hello guys, this is oskarlordv here, and today we're opening some FIFA 17 Ultimate Team Gold Packs, and let's start off with a Premium Gold Pack. So here we go. Please, something decent. Oh my god. Who the... Oh, his pace is alright. I might keep him. Send all to club. Oh, got 1,000 coins. Nice. Nice. Alright, let's open another one. Come on, something good, something good, something good. Come on, come on, come on. Ooh, 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 Shatov. That's not bad. 88 pace. And I got a fucking goalkeeper from Juventus, Mirante. That's not too bad. Oh, it looks like Juventus. It's AC Milan or whatever. Fuck off. Cunt. Fuck you.
Not even AC Milan.
Right, third pack going. Let's get a good one. Come on. Come on. Come on. Coquelin! Not bad. Not bad. Not bad 3 packs, I'm not gonna lie. Pedro Leon, Adrian. Yeah, let's all fucking send all to club. Oh, and I got another 1,000 coins. Nice. Seek. Alright, let's go. 4th pack. Here we go. Oh! Oh! Ziela? Who the fuck is he? And he's plays for Leicester City. Shit, he's actually decent. Handling, 82. 82. Wow, these packs haven't been too bad. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Oh, fuck it, let's open another one. Let's see if we get something really fucking good. Oh. 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 Fuck's sake, Michael. Shit! His pace! 93 pace! What the actual flippity fuck? Bloody hell. Oh, another 1,000 coins. Alright, final pack, and then if I get something really good, I'll be mega happy. Come on. Oh, it's shit. Fuck off. Oh, 1,500 foot coins. Sick. Send all to club. Fuck it. Let's open another one. Hopefully get a good one. This time... Fuck off! Fucking Ginczek. The fuck is he? Fuck my life. The fuck do I get? Position modifier? Oh, you can change the position thingies. Sick. Alright, well, that's it for the pack openings. Stole all remaining in club. Sick. Alright, well, that was a decent pack opening, I reckon. I might open some more before. And then, yeah, let's hopefully get something good in the next one. And we got some more packs for you guys, so let's open the Premium Gold Pack. I got some FIFA points instead this time, and let's do this. Hopefully we're going to get an amazing player. Oh! Oh, Backer! Whoa! 84. Oh, I bet he goes for quite a decent amount. I'm gonna check in a bit. Can I compare price? No. Alright, send all to club. Seek. Alright, that was a very decent pack. Let's open another one. Come on, something really good. Oh. Oh. He's okay. 80. I mean, not too bad. Should yeah, I'll get 2 of the gold packs. Right, come on, something really good. Ugh. Bloody hell. I decided to go back to the premium gold packs because the gold packs was awful. So let's hope for a really good player. If I get an inform, I'll be fucking going mental. Oh. Cruz. He's alright. Overall, decent enough pack opening. Oh, and we got Hutchinson. And Skorupski. There you go, a Polish player. Polish goalkeeper, even. Some random quick sell this. Oh shit! I just quick sold the whole thing. What a retard. Fucking hell. Oh my word. Well done, Oscar. Alright. Well, that was a bit of a waste. Alright, let's get one final premium gold pack. Let's hope this one is gonna be flipping amazing. Come on. Ugh. Moreno. I already have him. Fuck off. Fuck my life. Young Jacek. Sick. Centre club. All this is shit. Put this guy on transfer list because he's bitch. Alright. Centre club. Send all to club. Well, that was a bit disappointing, but oh well. Actually, effort. I'll buy it with the coins. Boom. Come on. Solid player. Please give me a solid player. Come on. Oh. Moledo. Who the fuck is he? Alright, well, that's it for the pack opening. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.